Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today guys, I got something very special for you. I'll be making my fried chicken. Guys, this is gonna be a delicious recipe and it's guaranteed to work. So stay tuned as I show you how I put the flavor of love into this wonderful dish. So these are the ingredients for my fried chicken. I got some chicken parts that are being soaked in this brine for the last hour. I got my flour, I got my onion powder, some black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, allspice, paprika, garlic powder, and some salt. So the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll be sifting it to get the air pockets out of the flour. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is just add a little bit of salt. Maybe like a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of onion powder. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And guys, when you've been cooking for a while, you kind of know when you use your initiative, like how much of each seasoning you're gonna be adding. This is about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of Old Bay, a teaspoon of paprika, and about a teaspoon of grounded allspice. Now that all the ingredients are in, you're just gonna lightly mix the ingredients together. After my ingredients have been mixed together, what I like to do, guys, I like to put the dry mixture in a Ziploc bag because it's less messy and it'll be easy for you to incorporate your flour mixture onto your chicken. So now that I have drained my chicken of the brine, I've patted the chicken dry and it's ready for the seasoning. So guys, I will be adding some onion powder, about a tablespoon. I'll be adding some garlic powder, about another tablespoon. I'll be adding some black pepper, some paprika, some grounded allspice. And about a teaspoon of salt. So what I'll be doing, guys, I'll be just incorporating all these dry seasonings into my chicken. Okay guys, now that the chicken has been marinated, I'm just gonna let it sit for about an hour so that the marinade can actually soak into the chicken, and then we'll be right back. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is take each piece of chicken and we're gonna just take it and put it in a Ziploc bag so we could mix up our chicken. You don't have to do it this way. You can always just mix it in a bowl. But as I said, for me, it actually minimizes the mess created by the flour mixture. So right now I have a pot that's been on the stove to be heated. So one way of testing to see if the pot is ready is just splash some water and you'll see little water particles dancing in the pot. You know that it's ready. So now I'm gonna just add some oil, just enough oil to cover the chicken. And I usually just do like a quarter for this pot size and the amount of chicken that I'm using. I just do like quarter of the pot for the oil. I'm going to be adding 3 pegs of garlic and a whole pepper to my oil. This, guys, will actually help me to determine when the oil is hot enough to put the chicken in, because when the oil is too cold, your chicken becomes soggy, and when your oil is too hot, your chicken will brown too quickly on the outside and then it won't cook properly on the inside. The pepper and the garlic will also help me to know the right temperature and also help to add flavor to my oil. The pepper and the garlic will also add flavor to my chicken. Okay guys, so my oil is actually ready. You know how I know? Because the garlic has been browned on both sides and it's actually floating in the oil. That tells me that my oil is ready. So now I have my chicken that I put the flour in, and now I'm gonna fry the chicken. So what you do, guys, is fry the chicken on 15 minutes for each side. Trust me, you do it this way, it's guaranteed to come out the way how you want it. Crispy, nice, and cooked thoroughly inside. So now my chicken is in the oil. I'm gonna let it cook for the first 15 minutes and then I will turn it over. Trust me, guys, this technique is guaranteed to work. Okay guys, so 15 minutes has passed, and I'm gonna turn my chicken. Guys, the one thing you need to remember with fried chicken, you can't rush fried chicken. You just gotta be patient and let it do its own job. So we're gonna just turn the chicken on each side. Look, 15 minutes, hasn't been burnt, just has that nice golden brown color. Okay guys, so that's 15 minutes, and I'm gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes on the other side. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so 15 minutes have been passed. Okay guys, so now 15 minutes. Okay guys, so 15 minutes have passed, and I'm gonna take the chicken out of the oil. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Over here I have some nice crispy fried chicken, guys. Look how beautiful the color is. And now that the chicken is done, it's time for the taste test. Okay guys, and here's the finished product. I'm so excited to share with you guys my wonderful, delicious recipe. And now it's time for the taste test. As my granny used to say, I saw food for taste. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video and tell me what you think about my recipe today.